Millo's timeless, minimalist design elegantly complements any interior. Wireless and light, it adapts to any lifestyle. It also features the industry's first blend consistency control. Just set the desired level of smoothness, and Millo will do the rest. Washing is a breeze. The blending lid and cups are dishwasher safe. The magnetic hook provides seamless charging, allowing you to keep your tabletop tidy. Millo is dust-resistant and waterproof. Its 3-level safety system is engineered to give you peace of mind. Millo is also designed to be shared. One base, a world of smoothies to fit every taste. Millo's mobile app will give you access to recipes shared by our community. It's powerful enough to blend raw vegetables and ice, and its robust blades were designed in Germany.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Adam.
And I'm Ivaras. 5 years ago, with the help of Kickstarter community, we launched our first Millo blender. And the response was awesome.
And when I get ready for a trip now, it's the first thing I pack.
Millo quickly became a 5-star product.
We won Innovation Awards at the biggest consumer electronics shows from Berlin to Seattle.
We have won Global Design Awards. And Amazon even selected Millo as one of the top 20 most innovative products of 2021.
Our achievements soon gained the attention of many industry leaders.
You told us how amazed you were by Millo's portability, convenience and quietness. Now, we have taken it to a whole new level.
For a while now, we have been secretly working on MAD technology. The new Millo has no motor in its blender base, so there is no spinning parts, no vibration, and absolutely zero noise. The blades are turned by a powerful magnetic field generator. The generator is literally unbreakable, and we are so confident we cover it with 10 years warranty.
But this is just the beginning. We are already working on a range of accessories compatible with the same magnetic base.
Our mission is to innovate the kitchen industry. Imagine how sustainable our kitchens would become if we used only one drive to power all its appliances.
Join us. Back this project now and get your hands on this next generation Millo before anyone else. And now start blending.
Pretty cool. Very impressive.
It doesn't look like a smoothie blender.
I like the whole setup. It's like quite easy.
Have it at home if you don't have a lot of space. This is something that you can easily
Yeah, for
without
sure.
the big engine that always gonna take a lot of space to make easily. I would probably buy it.
Hey, I'm Shania, going to the gym like 4 to 6 times a week, and I found the Millo blender being a piece of, well, art. It's art, not just craftsmanship. It's a great blender to prepare your smoothies, your bowls, your protein shakes, whatever, in the morning very quickly. Has a long-lasting battery, charging USB-C, and again, it just looks amazing, and you can even control it through a mobile phone. So what do you want more?
Hey everybody, I'm Jeremy from Orlando. I travel a lot for work and for fun, and my health and fitness have always been really important to me. It's hard to do your best when you're on a trip, And that's why I was excited to discover Millo on Kickstarter. I've been looking for years for an incredible travel blender, and Millo's the first one I found that fits the bill. It's incredibly powerful, it's easy to pack, it's got great battery life, and it's a breeze to clean. My Millo has been with me all over the world, and when I get ready for a trip now, it's the first thing I pack. I wouldn't go anywhere without it.